All right, here we go again. Here we go again. Today, fresh off the fucking Coca-Cola factory. Just got a check engine light. They said they pulled the code and it was for a grill shutter. So we'll see what it's got going on. The Coke trucks. These guys go around fixing like busted Coke machines and all that. So what we'll do with this, if it does have the grill shutter code, or codes, is I will actually, let me put the jump box because it's only got 12.1 volts. Uh-oh, short guy coming at you. Short guy coming at you. Hide your girlfriends. Give it a little juice. Okay. Okay, P05AE. Active Grill Air Shutter 2. I think the way that they've always labeled these is one, there's two of them, so there's one upper and two is lower, but I'll double check that information. Test not passed since power up. Okay. So let's see. See if we got the tests for that. I don't think so. Output controls. There we go. Active grill shutter. All right. Try not to break this. Okay. Oh no. All right, see what we got here. So like I said, with these 1 and 2, I believe are, this is 1 and then 2 are down here. So we'll see 1, we'll see if we can open and close it. Oh, is it not gonna let me? Oh yeah, it does, okay. So we'll close it. Okay, cool. So we got some movement from the uppers, so that's good. Open sesame. Alright, cool. Alright, so we'll go out. So I was right, 1 is the upper, 2 is the lower. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Oh, close. Oh, they're closing. Huh. Okay. Let me just make sure they're all closing. Okay, cool. And let's open. Yeah, they're working. Okay, that's weird. So we'll do this. I will clear the code and then take a look at the wiring diagram. Because it's saying, let's see what the code says. Because that's weird that I can use it. It may not be sending a signal then. So let's see here. Let's get out of this. Interesting, I guess. 2 performance. Test failed since the clear. You know, maybe something was stuck in there. So let's clear it. Clear. Okay. And then we'll just get out of here. Alright, let's start it. Stays off. Yeah. So I know it's not open, right? There's no open circuit. Usually that'll show itself right away. These do have to operate. There's like operating criteria for these. I'm pretty sure it's like an ambient temperature. I think if you use the air conditioning, and then obviously when you're driving at certain intervals with your miles per hour and whatnot. So okay, so let's do this. VIN is Y. Why am I here? It's a WT. This is a 4-door crew. Not sure which transmission. We'll just say it's that one. Okay, so P05AE. P05. Active grill shutter. Oh, I think that one. Okay, what do we got here? A control. Okay. I'll maybe have to look that up online to see what that is. And then we'll just take a look at the diagram to see what happens. And they have connector views, huh? Let's see if we can just find it. There we go. Active grill shutter 2. So it gets, yeah, it's just a signal sent from the computer. Fuse 15 amp. I know it's good, obviously it works, but we can always just check it. To the F92UA. And then what else goes down? They share. They're grounded. And then they communicate with data lines. So the computer probably tells the engine control ignition relay for that. Okay. That is going to be over here. Short guy. And then, like I said, I'll read up and see if there's anything else as far as like TSBs go. So what do they call that? Do they even call that anything? Let's see. Not used. DCAC. IECR2. EcoBoost. Not used. Not used. Whatever. Sats. Here, damn, nothing. Starter. O2 sensor. Injector B. There we go. Arrow shutter. And maybe the top one. But it's working, so it might be called something else. Yeah, okay, that's okay. Alright, let me go ahead and just read up a little bit on this code and then I'll holler back. Alright, cool, we just did a little reading. Reading is cool. I'm glad I know how to read things. Helps you understand the system a little bit better. That way you can put 2 and 2 together and diag this shit properly. So the way that the grill shutters work, I know this, but it's always good to freshen up. So I read the component operation, the description and operation. Basically what happens is the grill shutters open and close based on you know, what's going on outside the car, AC command, like I said before. If it's hot or cold outside, like if it's cold, it'll close the shutters while the car warms up, and if it's hot, it'll open the shutters to help cool everything. So the way that the code sets is if they try to open or close the shutters and it can't, and it has a desired amount of attempts that it tries. If it doesn't meet the open and close in that amount of attempts, it kicks the light on. There's a TSB from Chevy that says that they, on the lower louvers, they take off the 4th one, so there's only 3. And then I think that this is just age. So what needs to happen from this point is just monitored, a couple drive cycles monitored, and then to see if it comes back on. It might just not be opening or closing fast enough. Like I said, it's got 186,000, could just be worn. We'll talk to them about the TSB and see if they wanted to do the updated louver design. They may not. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. Guess what? They want to do it. So it's just this piece right here. I'm actually not going to see the that until tomorrow, but I just wanted to give a quick rundown. I probably only had to take off the bumper, but I took off the upper one by mistake. Even though we talked how it was the lower one, I thought it was the upper one. Don't know why I took it off. So still not that big of a deal. I guess it pays like 3 hours, so kind of a pain. You got to take the little side trim pieces off, but yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and replace the lower air shutters and test them when I get it. Like I said, they were working before, but Coke, they want to go ahead and replace it because they said the light has come on in the past. So I think it just could be intermittent going out. Like I said, the only other thing that controls this particular air shutter is the ECM based on things that are happening outside the car or what's happening with the car. So actually, we could just look at it real quick. Apparently, I wasn't wrong for taking the upper one off because it comes as a unit with 2. So, but if you kind of look at this one, you can just see it's all. This is the module and the motor. It just looks kind of gummed up, you know, old, worn out, 180,000. So we'll go ahead and replace them. And then to get the bumper off, probably a good idea for me just to show real quick. There's two 15 millimeters They just mount underneath, and then there's two 18 millimeters that are on the top. Pretty simple. The grill has two 10 millimeter bolts and then unclips. But yeah, like I said, I'm not going to show the install because the parts won't be here till tomorrow. So it'll be just another day. But you know, like I said, they were both working, and when I get the new ones, I'll plug them in and test them with the scan tool again, piece them together. Here's the big one. Just bolts right off. So top grill, front grill, side panels, bumper. 3 hours, maybe an hour.